What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to make a quick video talking about the most common mistake people make when installing a new thermostat. So what typically happens is in the summertime, for example, we'll get a bunch of calls from people who recently installed the thermostat and now their AC is somehow not working. Well, a lot of times people think that they installed it incorrectly as far as the wiring on the backside goes. This is a Honeywell T4, by the way. But that's actually not where I see the most common mistake, because they do a decent job of doing the wiring, but this is where they typically, and I'm not saying they do sometimes do mess up the wiring, that's true, but the most common mistake I make, and which is actually the easiest to fix, is actually setting up their thermostat. So for example, on this T4, you have to hold this to go to the advanced settings, which says ISU. So if you select that, it's gonna have, it's gonna take you to the setup menu, but you have to have the installer's manual essentially ready. So let me pull that up on my phone here. Okay, so we're back. So we're in the installer setup, which is also ISU, right? So installer setup, and you see here it says 120, right? And then it says the options you have. So you see there 120, it's set on 3 right now. 3 means 5 days programmable, and then Saturday and Sunday are a different program. But where I see the biggest mistake is right here, when they select the heating system type. When I got here, these folks had it set up for conventional forced air heat, but they actually have a heat pump. So if you go to, that says 200, we have to go to 200, right? Now it's set to 2, which is heat pump, which is what the unit is, but they had it set for a conventional gas heater. So let's go to the next one. When you have a heat pump, this is also a very important setting that you need to do, which is 205. You have air-to-air heat pump. That's correct. Again, I already set this up previously. We select it, and then also reversing valve 218. That is going to be depending on the manufacturer. For example, this is the Train, and you have to have it on O, which is 0, which I do. If you don't have it, then the system will not work. If you have it on B, which is 1, the system will not work. So that's pretty much it. This is all the setup menu. You have a bunch of options. If you mess up these options because you don't know what you're doing, and that's okay, but the only problem is your system is not going to work right. So you may just want to have a technician actually do the job for you, or call somebody, call the manufacturer, so that you can they can answer the questions for you. Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. If you are a technician, put it in the comment sections if this is the most common mistake you see when people install a thermostat. I'd like to see if that's the case in other places. So that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.